Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start in the document you want to change. Place the cursor anywhere. On the ribbon, choose the Design tab and click Page Color. That opens the quick palette. Use the theme swatches for consistent branding, or select more colors to enter RGB or a hex code for precise color. This matters when you need exact matches. Once done, you'll see the preview instantly, so you can decide whether to keep the change or try another tone. Now you go deeper. Click More Colors and switch to the Custom tab to type RGB values or paste a hex value. This ensures brand accuracy. If you want dimension, use fill effects for gradients, textures, or patterns. Pick direction and intensity to avoid overpowering text. Make sure to check print settings because rich colors may use more ink. If printing matters, choose a lighter tint or consult Print Preview to finish by saving the document and optionally set the selection as the default theme so new files match. Make sure to review Print Preview to confirm the background appears both on screen and on paper. If the color disappears or won't print, check compatibility mode and enable background printing in Word options. Sometimes a PDF export keeps the color intact. If problems persist, restart Word after toggling those settings and reapply the color. That often clears cached display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.